Hey guys, welcome to IT Talk. We're back again with another video in the Microsoft Excel Masterclass series. In Module 1, we recorded a macro to clean up some ugly data. In Module 2, we will be editing the code to expand its capacity. All right, so here is the data that needed to be conditioned. In the first module, we wanted to expand the columns and center the data since as you can see, or rather as you can't see since you can't see the data. So what we've done is we've recorded a macro and assigned it a keyboard shortcut. Instead of the shortcut though, this time we will be using this button I made. If you don't have the button, you can always click Alt F8 to view macros. Click Options to set your keyboard shortcut, or just run it from right there. But yeah, you can make this button in like 60 seconds. It's easy. I actually have a video on that one in my Microsoft Excel Magic 60-second series. If you don't have the button yet, be sure to check out that video to add the button to your sheet. In the meantime, just use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl-R. Here is the button though. All I need to do is click this button to execute our macro. Perfecto. So now, as you can see, we have this one column that didn't get expanded. In your sheet, if you downloaded it to follow along, you may not have anything in column L, but if not, just type shortcut in cell L11 and then Ctrl-R in L12. Narrow the columns so you can't see the data for the test. So there are two ways to handle this. I could record a new macro the way we did in the first module and repeat all the steps and then include these columns. Or I could just go into the code and edit it. In this case, it's faster to edit it. So again, Alt F11 gets us to the Visual Basic Editor. In this case, we just need to copy and update 2 lines of code. I changed the columns in the lines I copied to columns K and L, which will expand the macro to those 2 columns, and now just flip back and click the button and voila! We now have those 2 columns also formatted. Before we go, let's review the code we added. So the first part is the address. This is pretty self-explanatory. Think of this as the address. It selects every cell in column K, swap the letters, and you can target any column, or even a multi-range like columns K through L. The second part tells us about the selection. Entire column forces Excel to treat the selection as the full column. In other jobs, you might use .font, .interior, or .column width here to style, or size things manually. The last part, AutoFit, tells Excel to resize to the widest cell. In my Udemy course, I go deeper into VBA coding for Microsoft Excel. Be sure to click the link in the description for more information. In the next video, we will discuss code in greater detail and we'll clean up the code to make it more concise. Be sure to check out some of our other videos. To make our videos more interactive, please click the link in the description to download the dataset to follow along. Until next time.